Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, here we are in the holy month of Ramadan, a month of worship, a month of fasting for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should not look at fasting in the month of Ramadan as a punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remember, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us what He wants from us in the month of Ramadan is taqwa. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, كُتِبَ عَلَيْكُمُ الصِّيَامُ كَمَا كُتِبَ عَلَى الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. He's told us that fasting in the month of Ramadan is an obligation to us, just like it was an obligation for those before us for the benefit. And the benefit is us, that we get taqwa, that is piety. So we should not view fasting in the month of Ramadan as a punishment, but we are fulfilling an order by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a commandment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remember, it is one of the pillars of Islam, and we should fast with that intention in our minds, that we are fasting because we are fulfilling a pillar in Islam and we are fulfilling a commandment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you and give you tawfiq in this holy month of Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.